If you have a data set that looks like this with many blank rows, you may be wondering if there's an easier way to delete all the blanks than deleting them one at a time. And sure enough, there is. So simply click up here in the upper left. Then you can either go to the toolbar and go to this filter icon and create a filter, or you can just go to the data menu and create a filter right from there. Once you've done that, then click on this little filter icon next to the name. Then we're going to scroll down here and then click clear first. And that's going to unselect everything. And then we're going to tap just on blanks. And then let's click OK to apply. And now I can just simply click and drag down until I've selected all the blank rows. Right click over here and then see how it says delete selected rows. So we're only going to delete the blank rows. So we can do that. And now it looks like everything's gone, but it's because this filter is applied. So we just got to click back on here, then go back to select all 81 or however many there are, click OK. And there you go. There's your data set with no blank rows. And then if you want to remove or reset the filter, you can either go back to here and do remove filter, or you can go back to the toolbar and just tap on this to remove the filter and reset it back to the way it was. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.